Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this channel I'll show you how to use different software to create printed circuit boards, starting from Altium Designer, also Cadence OrCAD and Allegro, and other software as well for PCB design. But that's not just PCB design we'll be focusing on. We'll also talk about being a student in electrical and electronics engineering, being an industry professional, just in electrical engineering in general, and also some freelance stuff that you can do as an engineer. So who am I? I'm Kirsch Mackey. I am a PhD student in electrical and electronics engineering, and I have learned a lot of things in graduate school so far, including power electronics, renewable energy, power systems engineering, control systems, and also a little bit of machine learning for crunching a lot of data and getting insights from that data. So I like this channel to be a mix of many different electrical and electronics engineering software that I go through, learn, and teach as I use it, or after I've already learned how to use it to complete some projects. Because going through university, I found that we're pretty detached from a lot of what goes on in the real world. And I also find that in the industry, we may take for granted or not consider things that we learn at the university level, or we may not even remember what we learned in university, to be able to apply it to the engineering industry sector to make our jobs easier. Sometimes it may not be that practical, but sometimes it is, and it can save a lot of money. And finally, I do some freelance PCB design work. So there's that aspect as well. How do you support yourself financially or supplement your income? So I talk about real life things because it's about my real life experiences, but I also do tutorials in PCB design and in engineering software. I love electrical and electronics engineering software. I love software tools in general. I love programming, and I just want to share that information with the world and with you, and also to make people's lives easier. So I go through a lot of the hard stuff to learn how to use these software and some hard skills because it's enjoyable, and also I like to teach it because it helps others and you save time, save lots and lots and lots of time. Okay, that's the purpose of this channel. I hope you will subscribe to it and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload or post a new video on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.